Hey everybody, welcome back to DIY Boomboxes in Texas. My name is Phil, your host. Quick little video here, a little update. Hopefully my computer will be fixed tomorrow, so I won't have to use my cell phone anymore. But I just wanted to show you a little update, little project I got working on right now. This is the cooler that you see in my other videos, but I went ahead and updated the speakers with some 6.5-inch JVC driven speakers, and man, these things sound amazing. I also took off the antenna that I had through the handle here, and you can see I put an external antenna right here, and it works absolutely fantastic. Get the stations real good, but the biggest change is on the inside here. Get the cobwebs out. You can see I updated the amp. There's the Droke amp that I posted pictures of online. Now I mounted it upside down because it was easier to run the wires to the amp and everything. But this amp is unbelievable. It sounds absolutely amazing, and I'm going to play it for you guys next time in my next video. I'm going to do a video review of this project. I just want to give you guys an update since I haven't made a video in a little while. My computer's in the shop, so I can't do all the fancy editing, but because I have a fan went out, it should be back tomorrow. But you guys, this Droke amp is amazing. These JVC speakers are amazing. Now I did put some insulation in here. I took it out just for photography, but I love it. And you can see the hole there where I drilled out for the antenna right there, and I just used a little grommet to put it on there, and it works really fantastic. So thanks guys for watching. Like I said, this is just a little quick video update, and of course if you guys haven't seen this before, here's the inside with the radio, the voltage meter, the remote control, and everything like that. Now this amplifier here is Bluetooth, or as you can see I plugged it in. It even comes with connectors to plug it into a car stereo. If you have a cheap radio that doesn't have a lot of power, you could add this to it. It's a 50 by 50 amp, and it's really loud. It was so loud my neighbors actually came out and told me to turn it down when I was outside testing it. So thanks for watching guys. Got a lot of projects coming up, quite a few projects. I'm even going to recycle the old amplifier that was in there, and I've even got plans for that for another project coming up. So a lot of exciting things coming on. Got another Droke amp we're going to be working on as well, and also have a couple of little secret projects I'm working on right now. So thanks for watching guys. This is Phil, DIY Boomboxes in Texas. Check me out on Facebook. My selling page is custom boomboxes made in Texas. And you can also, if you want to join the discussion, if you're a builder yourself, you can join the discussion at I Love All Things Radio on Facebook. It's all these beautiful speakers that I put on there. I had some Bosses in here. They did okay. Couldn't handle a lot of power. And these suckers here are twice as loud. And of course the amplifier helps. They are waterproof. This whole box is waterproof. I'm going to take this floating down the river one day. I do sell these for $175 for Bluetooth only if you're interested. So let me know. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you later on this Memorial Day weekend. Catch you next time.